In a rapidly evolving world of automation, SZGH delivers reliable robotic solutions to customers worldwide. Here is where innovation begins. Our R&D team turns every idea into reality. But the heart of SZGH lies here in our state-of-the-art manufacturing center. Modern facilities, streamlined processes, and efficient management ensure stable, large-scale production. From strict component inspection to precise assembly and wiring, followed by rounds of calibration and endurance testing. Every robot meets rigorous standards to ensure long-term reliability. Quality is at the core of SZGH. Our testing procedures guarantee stability and accuracy across diverse working conditions. From palletizing and welding to packaging and logistics, SZGH robots help factories worldwide operate faster and smarter. Each unit is carefully packaged and shipped securely to customers around the world. SZGH, empowering intelligent manufacturing worldwide.